Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you Ancient Secret, a trick that will make your skin look younger and healthier, the Ginseng Skincare Mask. Ginseng, an herb originating from Asia, has been used for centuries as a tonic for the body. Did you know it has incredible skincare benefits too? In many cultures, people noticed that the hands of those who harvest and process ginseng are incredibly smooth and soft, leading to investigations into ginseng's potential for skincare. Ginseng is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin from free radical damage. It also helps stimulate collagen production, a key factor in maintaining skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Now, I will show you how to make a skincare mask using ginseng and Poria cocos. This mask will help your skin retain moisture, reduce inflammation, and brighten your complexion. First, you will need the following ingredients: pure ginseng powder, Poria cocos powder, a small bowl of water or milk, and a teaspoon of honey or olive oil. Step 1. Mix Poria cocos powder and ginseng powder. Step 2. Add some water or milk to create a paste. Step 3. Add a teaspoon of honey or olive oil and mix well. Step 4. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye areas. Step 5. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. After using this ginseng skincare mask, you will notice your skin feels softer, more nourished, and your complexion appears more even. It's a simple and natural way to revitalize your skin. Don't forget, everyone's skin is different, so be sure to perform a patch test before trying any new skincare product to ensure there are no adverse reactions. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and healthy living advice. Wishing you healthy and beautiful skin. See you next time.